Hi, I'm Russ Riddle. In my legal practice, clients are driven crazy by these two words. It depends. But when it comes to fair use, it really does depend. Each matter is judged on its own merits, case by case. Courts apply four primary factors in the analysis. The first being, what is the nature of your use? Is it commercial or nonprofit? Nonprofit weighs on the side of fair use. Of course, in our industry, most of us are in it for a living, so that doesn't work as well for us. The second primary factor, what was the nature of the work that you took from? Was it fiction or nonfiction? Nonfiction, again, weighs on the side of fair use. Perhaps that one's on our side as mostly we're dealing with factual materials. The third primary factor, how much did you use? What was the amount or substantiality of their work that you took? We're going to come back to that one. The fourth primary factor, what impact did you have on their market? For instance, if they hadn't published it yet, it's unpublished, and you put it out there, then you've, in effect, usurped their opportunity. And in our industry, when we tell another speaker's signature story on the platform before an audience that they haven't been before, we're doing the same thing. Back to that amount and substantiality. I'm always asked, what are the rules of thumb? How many notes of a song may I use? How many words of a book may I use? I always say, it depends. It really does. I mean, are we talking about a movie score, symphony, extended piece? Are we talking about a pop music on the radio? Are we talking about a very short commercial theme? One frustrated client, he got this way. He said, okay, 3 notes. Can I use 3 notes of a song? I said, it depends. Oh, come on. Really? Yeah, really. Are you wanting to use the NBC theme? It's only 3 notes. Bum, bum, bum. It matters. It depends. Here's a bonus tip. Some people think that if you give attribution, credit the person that wrote the materials, it's okay. It's fair use. That's somewhat of a myth. It's not a complete defense. It does matter. It can factor in. You're showing good faith. You're doing the right thing. You're acting ethically. You're not claiming it as your own. But that of itself, it doesn't make it fair use. In fact, none of these factors alone, any one of them, make it fair use. It's the overall analysis. I hope to see you in San Francisco in February because myself and other legal scholars are going to be unpacking this material. We're going to unpack fair use on a much deeper level, as well as legal issues touching up on your business day in and day out. Again, February 24th, 25th, and 26th, 2017, Winter Symposium. I'll see you in San Francisco.